Guys, I have 3 players that I have to go with Bambe, Kaizer Chiefs. Number 1, I'm Tuba Fetai. Sukbonile wafika kuchizi ayikho into senzeleyo. So I think you should go, my brother. They must loan you or baboni kutwenza nje bayenza nje ngawo. There's the reason. You can't be number 10. You don't have an assist. You don't have goals. So guys, for me guys, no. Another one, Lilepo guys. Lilepo is not a team player. Selfish and lazy. Again, lazy. I never saw a winger lazy. He's very, very lazy. Again, Pulo Moji, my brother. I think it's time they release you. It's time they release you. You can find another team. Plus, when being Colonagos, Bangamtato Colonagos, Simtatela Apo, Samletala, so they can take him back. Oh, Pulamode, I can tell Sanzaleona. Pulamode can take players, but decision making very, very, very poor, guys. So, guys, those 3 players that are one in Bambe, I don't want to see them next season. And then find replacement for those players, guys. So for me, that's the players that don't want to see them. It's season my color. But next season, we need to see new faces. Lilep, Mod, put Tutu Shabalal. I guys, this cat since Pelia Spania Bantano with TTC bars. Swon buzzing into fresh because I got the age footy. Yan Paisanyanu or San Katele Asas. So guys, those are the 3 players that I'm not happy about them, and those are my reasons to say those guys next season we don't want them.
Catch the full convo on our YouTube channel, Omni Audio Africa.